This is Casey B with the AmericanMule.us. I want to share a true story that just recently happened. As a brand, we wanted to make a simple badge and put it on a very high quality cotton hat with a simple leather strap. We were looking for something really high quality, so we spent a couple days searching on Google with all the right terms, USA made quality. We finally stumbled across the website that really was working for us, and we dropped them a quick one-liner and asked if the hats were made in the USA, and this was the response we got. There is nowhere in the USA capable of making headwear of retail quality. If you were to find anything marketed as USA made in headwear, it is not remotely close to being of enough quality to sell on a retail shelf. We have also found that most of those who market themselves as USA made are not doing so within a legal framework. Now, I tell you the story this morning because I want to fire you up. We can't even make a simple baseball cap in our country right now. What does that tell you what we're doing? Hey, maybe you're that guy or gal that needs to start that company today. So I hope that encourages you. I will talk to you again tomorrow at 6:01 a.m.